G'day! In today's video I'm having a bit of a chat about the HP Envy X360 13-BD. Now this particular one comes in a few different varieties of models. In relation to what I'm talking about is regarding the screen. Here I've got the original screen, broken, no longer displaying. I got my hands on another screen, also for the 13BD, this one also not displaying, which left me very confused as to why it wasn't displaying. It's a bit of a hint here in the tilting of the screen. You can see some slightly different colouring of the screens. Little did I know that this model actually comes in two different varieties. We come in the LCD variety. We also come in the OLED variety. If you look at the back, this one has a metal back to it. This one has like a film over the top of it, and you can see where scratches have been embedded. This particular one here is the OLED model. The way that we can tell that is by looking at it on a diagonal. You can see this weird crack here. If I connect this up and turn it on, I get no signs of a backlight being on, as each individual pixel is illuminated, as opposed to an LCD, which you can have a crack down the middle, and you can still tilt it on an angle and still see light. So I was trying to figure out why this particular one didn't work. I didn't actually realise that this particular model came as a OLED model. Lifting it up, probably one of the key giveaways I had was this little bit here. The screen attaches to here, and on the back of the screen was this little circuit board here, which I couldn't quite figure out why it was there or what it was actually for, until after doing a little bit more research and looking up the model number of the existing screen, I found out that this one was an OLED. OLEDs are pretty, OLEDs are very sharp and clear and great contrast, but OLEDs are also extremely expensive. So it's best to probably, if you have a HP Envy 13BD, I would highly recommend popping your screen out to make sure that it is a OLED model, or isn't an OLED model, prior to ordering the part. Anyway, that's just my warning regarding the 13BD. Hope you tread lightly and get the right part. Bye.